coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, this show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. You might remember earlier this year I made a pie. Out of what? Well, I took a store-bought pie crust and Nissin Cup Noodles pumpkin spice flavor and made this. Well, Christmas time is here, folks, and I thought that it might be nice to do another pie. This time, something maybe a little more savory. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but it's worth a shot. Today I've got Nissin Cup Noodles Korean barbecue flavor. I thought this could work. We'll see. It might work. It might not. It could. It could be groovy, or it could fail miserably. I looked for a store-bought, ready-made pie crust that had no real sweetness to it because these will be rather sweet to begin with. I settled on this, a Keebler shortbread crust. What I'm gonna do is blend the noodles in a little Magic Bullet fast super-powered blender and then cook them the way that it says on the cup, give it a little stir, and then put it in the pie crust, put it in the fridge, and let it chill. Perhaps I'll put some crispy onions on top. Well, let's get to it. All right, here is our pie. Now it's going to go in the fridge for a while. How long? I don't know. Quite a while. And then we'll give it a try. Here is our pie. It spent close to 24 hours in the refrigerator. Let's slice it, heat it up, garnish it, and give it a try. So here we are. This is what we've got. I went special to get this plate. I hate this plate. After this is done, this plate is going in the trash. It is far too reflective to be worth anything to me. However, here is our pie. It looks like it's set up pretty well. Let's give it a go. Yep. I gotta say, I like the pumpkin spice one much more. I expected it to be much saltier than it is, but it's not all that salty. Yeah, I'd take pumpkin spice cup noodles pie any day over this one. But maybe you should give it a try. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. May you have a good time, and I hope you enjoy yourselves to the fullest extent of the law. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and your instant noodle pies, should they occur. Goodbye.